Hi, howdy guys. This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. This is my second video for Selenium for beginners with advanced technology. First video I show how to create a maven project. This video I will be show you how to add the maven dependency and how to open the browser with Selenium and Testng. Let's go guys, take a look how to do that. So now for this season, so I need a dependency. So now you guys have from beginning for that you will see. I'm going to delete it, just don't follow because I did something before, which is, so this is a simple project which already created before, exactly same as whatever you guys take a look. And we have a external library over here, Java. There's no other library, so I'm going to add pom XML file here, dependencies. So if you want to repeat dependency, you have to say d dependencies and dependencies, enter. So just put some space inside. So now for Selenium, we need a Selenium maven dependency. So I'm going to go to the browser. I believe the browser open here. I'm going to say it, just write down in Google Selenium maven dependency. Okay, so you write down, it is the maven repository over here. Don't go there, go to the maven repository. Okay, over here. So you can go, I mean, you see directly, I mean, you should go over here, or you can go maven information Selenium repository. So you see the Java Selenium. When you click the Selenium, don't take the Selenium server or API or other, just take the Java Selenium. Okay, Selenium Java. When you click, there's the alpha version is over here. Take the alpha version beginning. I mean, that's good. Okay, whatever version they have, you don't have to worry. Oh, what happened? Okay, copy and go to the your project, and you see the word dependency. Inside the dependencies, put the dependency, because we will be add more than one dependency. So that's why we put in the XML file the dependencies. So you will be see here all the maven. You see, before was only 1.8 library for Java. Now all the maven dependency for Selenium. So now you see how adding. So we need one more thing, which is a Testng. So write down here Testng. Testng for run the test. Testng is a framework. Lots of people thinking this is for run the test, only a test annotation. No, Testng is a framework. You can run Testng or either JUnit. So I prefer the Testng, and I will tell you later why is Testng important and why I prefer Testng. So in further class you will be know about that. So Testng I'm doing, and I have a 7.4 beta version. Okay, I think this one have some compiling issue. Before I prefer, so I go back, I'm gonna take from down with 6.9. okay, let's see guys. Okay, this is some now there are lots of issue happening, so I'm not gonna go take 6.9. see what happened guys. Okay, and I'm gonna put over here 6.9. So now I put the 6.9.9, and you will see over here Testng dependency. So now I already have dependency for now for Selenium, which is the map Selenium and Testng dependency, and we see already all that we pulled this all the jar file here, which is the maven Testng and blah blah this over here. So now guys, I'm gonna create a simple class under the Java. So I'm going to create it first. I'm going to create the one. What is it? So I created one project. So I'm going to delete it, guys. I don't want you guys to mislead. I created before it. So before this video, so I just right click in the Java, main Java and Java package. Package name is. Remember the package name is all the small letter, and then under the package, and I'm going to create a Java class. The class name is start with capital letter. So I'm going to put the S script base. Okay, so I have already class. In this class, I will be creating a method. Before, remember, for run the test we create a main method. For now, you forget about the main method. We don't need main method anymore. That's why we add the testng dependency for use the testng framework for run test. So I'm going to get a simple framework, a simple method, public void init method. Well, you can call whatever method name you want. So I have this method. In the method, I will be provide a Chrome, how to open the browser, the code with Java using Java code. Before that, guys, let you know, guys, in Java, in Selenium, when you run the test, you want your host, example, your website is running in the multiple browser, example, Chrome, Firefox, IE, Opera, Safari. So why? Because every user have different preference. I like Chrome, someone like Internet Explorer, someone like other people like the Safari. So example, you want to open Amazon.com. So I'm gonna prefer go to the Google right on Amazon, and maybe you might be prefer Firefox for writable. So for that, as user perspective, we need to learn all the browser. Our website should run with open with all the browser. For now, I'm gonna use the Chrome. So for now, I'm gonna use the Chrome. So that's for that reason we need a ChromeDriver. So ChromeDriver can open a Chrome browser. So for that we need. So now I'm gonna create a right click in the project and new and directory. Create new directory, name drivers, where I will keep all the drivers. Okay. So I put the drivers. So now I'm gonna minimize over here like, and now I'm gonna go here, open another tab. I'm gonna say Chrome. For now, we're gonna use the older version, guys, because new version have some issue happening. I don't know why. So use the older version for now. In future, if there's a version is stable, we can take a look. ChromeDriver older version. So this is a ChromeDriver older version. Let's see if this can open here. And now if open there, I'm gonna go 71, 73. Let's go with 73. That's what happened. So this ChromeDriver is opening and it's in download. So I'm gonna go here, download section. So I have more than one, that's why the problem happening. Move to trash, and I'm gonna move to trash again. So I don't want to corrupt, I don't know which one is the latest. Okay, move to trash. So I'm gonna download again, and this is the new one, and to see, and now I'm gonna open this, and you'll see ChromeDriver over here somewhere. This is the ChromeDriver. This one we just opened. So this ChromeDriver, I'm going to drag and drop to the drivers folder. Okay. So if you drag and drop, you'll be see the ChromeDriver is here showing up. So now right click over here and go to the maven re-import. Make sure this project is up to date. So now you have ChromeDriver. So let's open the browser with ChromeDriver. So for that we need to provide first the path to this ChromeDriver. We need to tell our code, okay, go to the ChromeDriver, open the ChromeDriver. So for that you need system dot set property and you have to say over here WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. For now, don't try to understand what I am writing here, because if you are a beginner, you're not going to understand what's going on here. Just follow as a path. This system.set property where we providing our path. We will provide our path here, nothing else. So now I'm telling you WebDriver, ChromeDriver, the path is here. So remember, we are inside our project. We don't have to put the root file because we provide drivers under the Selenium for beginners drivers folder. So ChromeDriver is under this project. So I'm going to provide here dot slash drivers slash ChromeDriver. So I said here set property WebDriver Chrome.driver dot slash, that means before the drivers folder, I mean before that whatever, take it, and driver slash ChromeDriver, which is the ChromeDriver. So it may spell CHROMEDRIVR, CHROMEDRIVR, ChromeDriver. Don't make mistake, spell mistake, then will be not going to work. So now we have a path, we provide the path. Now we're going to call the WebDriver, okay, and driver. We're going to create a new instance variable, new ChromeDriver, okay. So we create here, then we're gonna say driver, this driver, yeah, this driver I'm gonna call over here, driver dot get. What is call happening here? Driver.get, and I need a website. Which website you want to open? So I'm going to show you guys which website you're going to open. You can open for key. So this is, I prefer this website, pretty easy, and I'll try to understand, and very some complicated section you can test it. So for that, so I prefer you guys use this one. So I'm going to provide it. Okay, so I provide the ChromeDriver path and WebDriver driver. I say to the WebDriver driver to get this with ChromeDriver. So now if you want to run, this is not a main method. Do you think you can run it? Just if I right clicks, there is no run button section. Remember, I add the testng dependency. So test for test initials, I'm going to use the testng. So I'm going to say test. So over here you don't see testng dependency. There is some problem with, I think, Selenium version, all these things. What I can do, I can please follow if you have this problem. If you see testng, you don't see the testng annotation import. So what you can do, you can go to the file and project structure, and you go to the modules and dependencies. When you go dependencies, we go all the way down. If your testng is 6.9, which is not compiling, and you can copy, I can click and put the compile. Manually do that, okay? You compile, apply, okay. So now, if you will be see now, you will be see control. If you always cursor and control this, and you will be see testng generation is working. So compiling error happening with IntelliJ somehow here. So guys, if you use IntelliJ, so if you have this issue, follow this. So go to the file, and go to the project structure, go to the modules and use the dependencies, and go all the way down. If you don't see not compile any annotation, any dependency, just put here compile. Okay, I put it compiled already. So, and okay, done. So now it's done. So now we have, let's run this test. So if I say right click, now you will see run button, run int. Okay, let's see guys what's going on. Cross your finger. So opening our fast browser with Selenium Java. Look like browser is opening. What's going on? Let's see. Okay, the Chrome version must be between 70 and 73. So I think we choose more than 73. So let's go to the 70 version. Before that, delete the ChromeDriver from here. So delete. I don't want the ChromeDriver stay here. So delete. So ChromeDriver is gone, and go to the your download section, and also delete this one because we want to download new one. So now if you go over here and go back, and go to the 70. Okay, we don't want any problem here. 70 version. Okay, see, there's some, always will have configuration problem. We have to figure out, go to the Google and search about the things and find. I know that's why I don't have to search, but if you don't know, just go. Now I'm gonna again, okay, sorry, Oregon, again, this drag and drop to inside the drivers. Okay, okay. So if you, I put the 70 version. Now if I run the test, let's see what happened. Cross your finger. It's open. Boom, guys. Our first attempt to open a browser, Chrome browser, open this website with Chrome browser, which I did only simple code. We don't use any main method over here. We use the TestNG framework with TestNG generation over here, and we can simple method, and under this we provide our path, driver path, which is this over here, ChromeDriver, and we call the web driver to get this driver, which is automationpractice.com, this website. So follow my video. If you find a problem, if you have any issue problem, if you have version problem, if you don't understand, if you cannot configure, just comment in YouTube section and ask for help. I will be there for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. I can ensure if you ask question, you'll be get answer within 10 minutes. So, but guys, follow the video. If you have issue, if you just take a look what's going on in the log, if you see always log over here, just I understand, okay, this is 17 version, just download, and you see all the link I provide over there, just follow it. Okay, go to the find out all the version, how you can find out. That's it for today. If you like my video, feel free to comment, feel free to like button and subscribe my video. See you soon, guys. Thanks for your time and watching this video. Next video will be soon.